Hi.
All ready for the class?
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Sorry, don't do anything.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
I'm joining from another device.
okay. All right. Sorry for being late. Okay. We'll start the class fast now. All right. So, today we'll study about magic paint. Do you all like to color?
Yes.
Base, just the base video.
Okay. How many of you like to color? Udit, do you like to color?
કલર ગમે છે
No.
બધા કલર ગમે છે એમ પૂછે છે
Yes.
Okay. Today we'll learn like when you're it will be of a different color, and when you put it on the paper, there'll be a different color. Okay, so that will be like magic. You all will see magic happening today. Okay, excited? Acha, let's move on to the next slide. Okay. So when you eat something, do you like you all eat some things like, have you all tasted lemon?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the taste of the lemon? How does it taste? How does it taste?
Salt.
सार. It tastes सार. Okay, खट्टा होता है. नींबू खाया आपने?
Yes.
Yes. What खट्टा होता है ना? Okay. So anything like most of the things that we eat and is sour in taste, okay, most of them have acids in them. What do they have in them? They have acids in them. All right. Like see, you all eat lemon and it is sour in taste. Have you all eaten oranges? Sometimes they are sour also, right? खट्टा होता है. Orange भी खाते हो आप लोग?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the taste? It is also sour. Okay, खट्टा रहता है वो भी. Okay, in the last class, once we read about curd, right? Swaraj and Udit were there, and even Krishul. तो उसमें कौन सा एसिड था? कर्ड में हमने पढ़ा था ना? In the last one class before we have. Yes, lactic acid. जब हम कर्ड खाते हैं, जब हम दही खाते हैं, वो भी खट्टा रहता है ना? So most of the foods that we eat and is sour in taste, okay, they have some kinds of acids in them. Okay, like grapes. Grapes are also sour. Shiv, do you like grapes? You don't like grapes? Okay. See, tomatoes, grapes, all these things have some kinds of acids in them. That is why they are sour in taste. Okay. Have you seen a bee? You know
Yes.
what is a bee, right? When the bee stings, it is very, very painful. Okay. मधुमक्खी जो होता है, अगर वो काट लेगा तो बहुत पेनफुल होगा, बहुत दर्द करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक एसिड छोड़ता है. वो एक एसिड हमारी बॉडी के अंदर इंजेक्ट करता है. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट एसिड?
Formic acid.
Yes, that is formic acid. ठीक है. So that is why it is very, very painful when a bee stings, when a bee bites, like it stings us. Okay, so then that is very painful because it puts one acid inside our body. Okay, and that due to that it is very, very painful. Have you eaten tamarind? इमली खाया आपने कभी?
नहीं.
No. Swaraj, have you eaten tamarind? Have you seen this?
No. Ma'am, I'm reading the acid and imli acid name is tartaric acid. Nice one,
Yes.
toy.
Yes. बहुत खट्टा रहता है. Okay, if you all have eaten, then it will be very very sour in taste because it has the acid. What is that acid's name? Tartaric acid. Okay. Once we also worked with vinegar. You all remember in the volcano experiment?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all these things have different kinds of acids. हमारे स्टमक के अंदर भी एसिड रहता है. What is the name of that acid? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. ठीक है. स्टमक के अंदर एसिड क्या करता है? हमारे खाने के साथ साथ जो जर्म्स जाते हैं, जो कीटाणु जाते हैं, सबको मार देते हैं. ठीक है. The hydrochloric acid kills all the germs that enters with our food into our stomach. जब हम खाते हैं हमको कीटाणु तो दिखते नहीं, बहुत छोटे छोटे रहते हैं, लेकिन जब हमारे पेट के अंदर जाता है तो पेट के अंदर क्या है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है जो सारे कीटाणुओं को मार देता है. ओके. So it kills all the germs. That is why hydrochloric acid is there in the stomach. All right. And when you put your cold drinks, you all must have seen lot of bubbles coming out. Okay, that is carbon dioxide. But there is also one acid in the cold drinks. What is the name of that acid? Carbonic acid. All right. So briefly speaking, that acids are, what is the taste of the acids? That is sour in taste. But you all cannot taste every acid. Okay. These are the food that we eat. And there are some acids that are present in the food and like in cold drinks and all. But we cannot taste every acid. Some acids are very, very dangerous. Okay. When an acid falls somewhere, it can burn something. These are very, we can say these acids are not harmful for us. But there are some acids which are very harmful for us. अगर कहीं गिर जाए तो पेपर को बर्न कर सकता है, वुड को बर्न कर सकता है, हमारे स्किन में गिर जाए तो हमारा स्किन बर्न हो सकता है. ठीक है. तो we have to remain far from some acids. Okay. Those acids, every acid we cannot taste, every acid we cannot eat. Okay. Some acids are very very dangerous. All right. कहीं पे गिर जाए तो वो जल जाएगा. All right. Understood? What is the property of acids? Acids are sour in taste and acids can also burn something. Some acids are there. These acids are good for us. Okay. These acids are inside, some are inside our body, some we eat as fruits and in the cold drinks and all, some we eat in the curd. So these acids will not harm us. Okay. Understood about acids, children? समझ में आया सबको?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we move on to the next slide now. Now, what about bases? Bases are like when you touch it, no, it's slippery. When you have a bath, you all must have the soap that you all have a bath with is slippery, right?
Yes.
Yes, it is slippery. When you all touch it, you all will feel that it is very slippery. Okay. So soaps and all these things like soaps, mama washes clothes for y'all. You'll go and touch the detergent powder. Put it in little water and touch it. Y'all will feel it slippery. Okay. So all these like Trisha. So are you all able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. See, toothpaste, all these things like when we eat chewing gum and all. Okay. When we eat them, like chewing gum is not bitter. Like every base is not bitter. Okay. Some bases are bitter in taste, but we don't have to taste them. Okay. We just know that they are bitter. All these things like drain cleaners, disinfect, like you'll use Dettol at home. when you all Dettol and all, okay?
Yes.
So they, when you all touch them, they are very slippery, okay? So you all can know that bases are there inside them, okay? You all can, after class, you all can go and touch the detergent, put it in little water and touch it and feel how it is to touch, okay? So most of the bases, they are slippery to touch, all right? The toothpaste, the detergent, soaps are all having bases in them. All right? Okay, we move on to the next slide now. Okay, now how do we know something is acidic or basic? Like when you'll go in the vehicle, when you'll go with Papa in the vehicle, there is one light burning. Like when Papa has to turn right or left, he puts one light. What is that called? He puts one light to turn right or left somewhere.
Signal.
That's called an indicator. Indicator. Have you heard about indicator in vehicle? If you'll have to turn the vehicle to the right or left, there is a right indicator or a left indicator. Okay, so that indicates the vehicles that are coming at the back. They will know, okay, this vehicle is going to turn to the left or to the right. Okay, so that is like an indicator. Have you all seen traffic signals when you all move on the road? Traffic lights, have you all seen?
Yeah.
No? You all have not seen traffic lights? Green light, red light. So what do they do? What do they do?
They tell us if a red light comes, we need to stop, and if a green light comes, we need to go.
Yes. So when the red light is burning, we all have to stop. जब red light जलता है, सारी गाड़ियां stop हो जाती है कि नहीं? और जब green light जलती है, तो सबको जाना पड़ता है. Okay, so indicators tell us whether to stop. Like when we talk about traffic indicators or traffic signals, they tell us whether to stop or to go. In the same way, we can also find out which is an acid or base, which is an acid or base. Can we look at something and say this is an acid or a base? No, we cannot. Okay, so there are some indicators to tell us whether something is an acid or a base. What are those indicators called? They are called chemical indicators. Okay, we'll test which is acid and which is base. These are different kinds of indicators. Today we'll learn about the red cabbage. Like there is turmeric indicator. With the hibiscus also we can make indicators. Today we'll learn about the red cabbage indicator. Okay, so all of you switch on to your experiments. All of you all, have you all made the paper?
Yes.
Okay, show me the paper that you made. Everyone show to me. Okay, all right. Is it dipped in the red cabbage solution? Was it dipped and dried yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, तो आप लोग क्या करो, आप अभी पेंट ब्रश लो और आपको 4 सॉल्यूशन बनाने बोले थे ना. What are the 4 solutions you all have? क्या क्या है आपके पास?
lemon juice,
Okay.
dishwasher,
So एक एक करके हम सबका पेंटिंग देखेंगे अभी. Okay, who will start? Who is ready?
Nicola, we are ready.
All right. Faraj, what you have to do, you have to dip your paint brush in one solution and draw something on the paper. Okay, and then we see what is the change in the color. You tell us in which solution are you dipping it, and then you paint something on the paper. Okay, all right.
थोडं खाली
So
ठेव ना
we,
ते. ह्याच्यात कुठल्या पण सोल्युशन मध्ये डिप कर आणि इथे काहीतरी ड्रॉप कर. बाकीच्या सोल्युशन साठी जागा ठेव. काय पण पेपर भर नको करू कारण यू यूज ऑल द सोल्युशन.
okay, Swaraj, can you adjust your camera so that we can also see what you're painting?
Move back.
Okay, yes. Yes, yes, we can see.
Detergent solution.
Okay, you have taken detergent solution.
Let's see.
Okay, leave that. Okay. Is there any change in the color, Swaraj?
Yes.
What is
There is any
Is
change.
there any change in the color, Swaraj?
Is there any change in the color?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
What was the color before and what is the color now, Swaraj?
First the color was yellow.
And now?
What's the color of the yellow? Of what? The color of the paper. What is the color of the
Color
paper?
of the paper.
Yes. What was the color of the paper?
Red or pink?
It was pink. And now it is what color?
तू सांग ना मला काय माहिती.
Where you have drawn, no? Where you have painted, what color is that now?
कोणता रंग वाटतो तुला इथे आलेला? आणि सांग it looks grayish.
It looks grayish. Okay, now dip it in lemon juice. Now wash your brush and dip it in lemon juice.
Yeah. Wash your brush.
Wash your brush.
Wash it, dry it using, don't dry it completely, just remove excess water, dip it in lemon juice and paint in one corner of the paper.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sudhir.
Ma'am, there's an ad here. For the ma'am is the club, so he will have to leave actually.
Okay. No problem. He can just try it with different colors and send us a picture. Okay, wherever he has tried with which color, he can write.
Is there a color change, Swaraj? Is it pink after putting lemon or is there a change?
Is there a change? Sang
No,
There's no change.
Not yet.
not yet.
Right. Okay. Renuka, is the paper very lightly dyed?
It is pink, yeah. Is it visible?
Barely, actually. We can see it white only.
See it white. Yeah.
Okay. It is pink. You dyed it, so now it's pink.
Okay.
Like light pink.
Okay. Because it needs to be little concentrated. You have the solution left from yesterday?
Yeah, we do.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Till then, we will observe the other children.
Okay.
We will finish with Udit first because Udit has to leave. Come on, Udit.
So
Ma'am, what to do?
you have to put your paint brush. Okay, you take out little of the Coke. Okay, little of like cold drinks in a bowl or something. Don't. Yeah.
One minute.
You bring a bowl or something. You have to put little in different bowls and then you have to try it. See, first, little bit only. Very, very little. Yes.
आपण तो पण नाही ठेवायचा हे बेकिंग सोडाचं मिक्सचर आहे ना त्यांनी आपण परत ट्राय
And then, ma'am, should I mix it with water or
Uh, okay, let him try with that first. Udit, put little in your brush and paint it on the paper.
white or pink?
Put yes. Put it in your brush and paint it on the paper which you have already made. The red cabbage paper which you have already made. Can you show us? Can you adjust the camera so that we can see?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So is there any change in the color?
No.
Yes. There are some lines like, is there any change in the color of the paper where you'll have drawn that? Where you'll have put the brush with the cold drink?
Change it. Yes. Yes.
What color it has become, Udit?
White.
Okay, it's become white. Okay. Then can you try it with the dishwasher solution? You have to remove the like cold drink from there, and or else put it in different bowls. Dishwasher, and you have to put little bit water. Okay.
Okay.
Little bit of water, just a little bit.
While Udit is doing, let's see Tanvi. Tanvi, are you ready?
Mom, shall I do on the
Plastics at the holes to the design material.
you made with the cold drink?
Almost orange color.
Udit, we could not understand anything, Udit.
Yes, Udit is saying something.
Amma, the oil crystal dabba,
Okay. Tanvi, are you ready? Can we try Tanvi?
Mami, back camera panni anna.
Ma'am,
लेमन जूस ये लेमन जूस
Okay. Try the lemon juice.
येलो था वो ना जो
Is there a change in color observed, Krishna?
लाइट येलो
It is turning into light yellow. Very good. Now use some other thing.
Yeah. Wash your brush.
वॉश ब्रश वाइट कर दें रुमाल के बीच में डीप इन डिश वॉशर अलग जगह जी डीप कर रहा है यार
The pen on the pen random.
What color is this now?
it's which color is it
This color is the
Blue.
Blue color. Very good.
Very
Now
good.
do baking soda. Water. Wash kar.
Now do the next thing.
Yes. Baking soda solution is there and whole drink.
what is
नहीं आमा कर soda. Cold drinks.
What color now? Okay. So Tanvi, you send us a picture of your paint, okay? Udit, is yours done? Is there a change, Athya? Is there a change in color observed? That was
Okay,
with detergent, right?
one is with the detergent, one is with the lemon, and one is with the
Do you see different shades of colors?
yeah.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to Krishiv.
Yes.
Dishwasher. पीछे भी आमच
Okay. What is this, Krishiv?
dishwasher.
All right.
Krishiv, what color is it becoming now? Blue. Very good. Yes, Udit can leave, Athya.
Lemon juice.
Blue. Okay, very good.
Now what are you doing, Krishiv?
It's lemon
Now what is the color?
Wait.
Okay. What color is it becoming?
Light. Okay.
Light pink.
Light
Okay.
pink. Okay.
That's not for you to drink, Udit.
Krishiv, પીવાનું નથી, હા?
Not Udit. Sorry.
What is the color now, Krishiv? Is there a color change?
શું થયું બોલ કે ઓકે કઈ
Light pink.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, anything else you have? You have baking soda?
baking soda yes ले पकड़ ले
What color, Krishiv?
No.
wait के wait
Wait.
No change.
So in what you got color change, Krishna? In which one you got a color
Color
change?
change ક્યાંથી જોવા મળે તને એવું કે છે તો શેમાં જોવા મળે બોલ આ શું છે આ શેનું છે ફર્સ્ટ ડિશવોશર અને lemon juice.
Very good.
Okay. In the dishwasher and lemon juice. And in the cold, no change.
White color.
Okay.
Okay, Swaraj, what you can do is take one container, take 2 containers, add little bit of the syrup that you have, and add lemon juice in one and baking soda solution in another, and see the color change. All of y'all can try this. If you have the solution left,
यार सिरप लेना था बोले तो आपके 2 वाला में सेपरेट कर एक का बेकिंग सोडा एक का
lemon juice आहे.
Swaraj, did you see any color change, Swaraj?
आणि इथे बेकिंग सोडा टाक.
No.
Okay, can you show us the solution?
Renuka, is any color change being observed?
No, not yet.
Okay, you've added the baking
He
soda.
put baking soda in this and he's put lemon juice in this, but no color change as yet. But on the paper where he put the baking soda solution, it's become white.
No. So this baking soda solution has to be concentrated and a few drops of cabbage extract. I think the cabbage extract is a lot more in the vatis, na? The cabbage extract is working as an indicator to test which is an acid, which is a base. Okay?
Okay.
See, ideally, in how it should work, I'll tell you. I'll show you how it should look. Okay. In case of an acid, the red cabbage will remain, as in the purple cabbage will becoming reddish in case of acid, and will become greenish or bluish in case of base. Try to see if you are observing this color change. And for beetroot, those who have used beetroot, it will remain pink for acid, but when you're using it with detergent, it will be little bit of yellowish color. So from pink, it will move to yellow. This will be the color change that will be observed.
Okay.
Have you all observed this color change? Okay, children.
Swapna, the water has to very little in the solutions.
Sorry.
the water content has to be very little in the solutions, right?
Yeah, it has to, the solution has to be concentrated.
Okay. We'll try it out again.
Yeah. Krishav and Tanvi, did you try it?
Try करूँ?
Did you see the color change? Wow, very nice. Very nice, Krishav. Very nice.
Nice. Yes.
या पेपर काय करायचं?
चार परत करून घेऊया.
Swaraj, are you able to do it?
करेल म्हणा करायचं.
I'll do it.
You're doing it now? You'll do it after the class?
We'll do it after the class.
Okay, you can try with beetroot or red cabbage, Renuka. Anything is okay.
Yeah, we tried it with beetroot last night. As in, we dipped it in beetroot water last night.
Okay.
Let's see, we'll try again and change the concentration of the solution and check it again.
Yes. All right.
Can you send share a picture on the group? Yeah, this one.
Yeah. This picture I'll share with you all.
Okay.
Okay. And Nicola ma'am, you can explain them why they are seeing the color change.
Yeah. Okay, so whichever is like y'all are using red cabbage or beetroot as an indicator. Okay, whenever you put an acid or a base, like when an acid or a base comes there, then the color will change. Okay, because it is acid or base, the color will change according to that. All right. You all will see different colors. If it is an acid, in the red cabbage, it will become reddish. Okay. And if it is a base, it will become kind of orange or yellow. All right. How many of you have used red cabbage? Who has used red cabbage? तन्वी, आपने क्या यूज किया? रेड कैबेज यूज किया है कि बीटरूट यूज किया है? ओके. Krishan, what have you used? Red cabbage or beetroot? Okay, beetroot. Swaraj, what have you used? Okay, so all of y'all have used beetroot. Okay.
Beetroot.
Yeah. So when you use beetroot now, it will become like the beetroot is, what is the color of the beetroot? Tell me. What is the color? Have you all seen a beetroot? What is the color of the beetroot? Maroon color. Yes. So when you all add an acid into it, like maybe if you all are adding what did you all add? Lemon juice. Okay. So when you all add an acid, it will become deep maroon in color. Okay. It will become, the color will become more maroon. And when you all add a base, it will become orange. It will become lighter. Okay. It will become somewhat lighter. So that will tell you all whether something is an acid or a base. If it is becoming lighter, it's a base. If it is becoming more dark maroon or something, then it is and acid. Okay, that is why you all observe the color change. That is why you all can see the color changing. Did you all understand why you all see color changes?
Yes.
Okay. So Swaraj, you can try it after the class, okay? And Rishabh and Tanvi, you all have already tried, right? You all can see different colors on your paper. Yes. Okay.
There is one thing which you all can try out, parents. Instead of, like if you have a fresh piece of beetroot, you can cut thin strip of paper and rub the beetroot directly on the paper. Okay, and let the paper dry. Instead of diluting and making a beetroot solution, just rub the beetroot directly on a paper and let it dry. So that will show the color changes very well because it is concentrated indicator.
Okay.
Okay, so you can try it out. So you need not use the complete paper. Make 3-4 thin strips of paper, but color them really dark and let them dry perfectly. Then you can dip this paper into the solutions. So you'll be able to see the color changes very, very well in that case.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes.
All right, children. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.